So welcome to your first video in the Python series. In this video we're just going to be going over installing Python and setting it up, and then we're going to talk about what Python is. So firstly, to install Python, we just want to search Python here, and we just want to click this first link. It's to python.org/downloads here, and when we click on this we'll be taken to a page like this, and it just has the download button here which we can click on. Now for some reason when I was downloading it now, it downloaded really slowly. Even though it was a small file, it took me like 10 minutes to download it, and it was moving at about 30 kilobytes a second for some reason. Now once you're done downloading that, you should have the installer file here, so you want to double click on it, and then you should see this window here for installing Python. Now all you have to do is click install now to begin the installation, but you want to click this check mark down here, add Python to path. It's important that you have that selected. So once you select that, just hit install now and it will install it on your system. I'm not going to do this because I already have Python installed. And yeah, once you're done installing it, you might need to restart your computer. And then once that's complete, you should be able to access Python from your terminal. Now let's talk about what Python is and how it runs files. So you may have noticed here when we ran the installer, it's a .exe file, and that file runs directly on Windows. So you just click it and boom, the application starts up. So again, we close this. In Python, the files we write don't run directly on your computer. They end in .py like this, and they run on something called the Python interpreter. Now I'm going to right click in this folder here. I just have a few projects here, and I'm going to select open in terminal here. And when this loads up, I should be able to type the word Python here, and it will open up the Python interpreter for me to run code live in here. So if everything went well and you installed Python successfully, you should be seeing this screen as well here. And in here we can actually run Python code directly. So I just ran a quick print statement here, and it printed out the word hello. And to exit this interpreter, I just type exit and my brackets here, and okay, it's closed. So the Python interpreter, the thing in the terminal, is actually what's running the Python code, so it never runs directly on your system. And to run a Python file, so a file that ends in .py, we want to type Python and then the name of the file. So I'm just going to run one of these files here to show you that it works. And yeah, we see some output here. So this is the output that the file gives when it runs. This is just some old projects I have here for a demo. It doesn't really matter what it does here, but the point is that's how you would run a file in Python. You type Python and then the name of the file. This is actually similar to JavaScript in that JavaScript runs in the browser, so it doesn't run directly on the user's computer. It runs in the browser or through the browser. In the same way, Python runs through the Python interpreter. It doesn't run directly on the computer in the same way that an exe file would. So yeah, I hope this video clears some stuff up. It helped you install Python, and starting from the next video we'll begin writing our Python code, and I'll show you guys about variables and all of that stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.